Alrighty. It's gonna be a wind sound warning because we're gonna have high winds today. So this video is gonna be nothing but dedicated. Let's pick that up. That fell off. Alrighty. First things first. I remember how I stated that this was a 65 or something like that in the previous video. Well, it is a 65 because of the square tail lights in the back. This Fairlane right here is a 64 because of the round tail lights in the back. So someone was jinxing me online a while back, making me think that I was calling some stuff by, by the wrong year. But this, however, is my new prize. This is a 1965 Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe 2-door hardtop. It's very, very rough. Gotta pick this up next week. As you can see right here, Sports Coupe. It's a 65 because of the square tail lights. Someone was telling me that this was a 64, either this one or that blue one. It's like, no, I'm learning more about this stuff. This came out of some sand dunes. And this appears to be an automatic. Head to something. Yeah. Looks like I got some heads back there. I'll have to look. I don't know if this is like a big block or small block. No, this is actually a 3-speed, excuse me. Yeah, right there it is. Didn't see it too clearly. So it's a 3-speed. Kind of gutted. So this will be my 4th Fairlane. Might have had a 289 in it. Yeah. I have no idea how long this has been sitting. But this came out of sand dunes, so I don't know how rough it's going to be. At least my front grill's almost complete. Been wanting to grab this for a while. Been debating about it. It's like, well, I'll probably make this the last car for me, unless if another Roadrunner shows up. Because I'm going to be getting this next week. Yeah, a little bit of a fender bender there. Let's go around over to the other side. Looks like the front grille on that one's complete. That might be a parts car for a certain extent. And the Sports Coupe looks like with the Thunderbird type of emblem on it. So Sports Coupe Thunderbird Special maybe? I've seen these Fairlanes with those on it, with the 3 cat emblems. Because the Galaxy has 3 emblems on it. Same kind of cat. Fairlane 500. Did I have it on this side as well? Yeah. Fairlane 500. That plane's pretty loud. Oh, my Sports Coupe deal's gone on this side. But yeah, look at that. 3 cats. That Thunderbird emblem type thing. Get a closer look right here. There. Is this my horn? Yeah. It's my horn. Fairlane 500. I'm going to take that with me. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know why I was looking at it wrongly with Ford automatic, but no, it's a 3-speed. I'll put something a little bit bigger in this, and I'll pop a deal in the center there for a 4-speed. I want to save that because someone, after posting this stuff up online, there's some people trying to buy our vehicles out from underneath of us now. So I got to go down and look at the Bronco here and see if anyone's taking stuff off of it. I don't like that. Some local guy too, because out of all the Broncos, that one specific he was looking at, he's trying to get it. It's like, no, it's mine, it's already bought and paid for. So let's see here. Okay, so I guess this thing is absolutely rough. I don't know what's going on with it, but yeah. So my 4th Fairlane, not the final one, but the 4th one. Let's see about that. Let's see if it's just barely on the track, is it? Yeah. Not sure what else to really show on the car, because there's really not much here. Floorboard looks really good, but I'll have to dig out through that stuff, see if it's rotten up there. Of course, you know, it's a unibody, so. Oh, how about that? It says Sports Cooper on the side. I got them both on each side. And I got the lights. Those almost look like the lights off of a 65 Galaxy, off of my one on the XL. Oh, she was bucket seats. I just now noticed that, because right there's the hole. That's a factory hole. And right there's a hole. Well, how about that? So she had bucket seats in her. Nice. Oh, we got some rot. We got some rot right there. Easy fix right there. Also looks like right there. I got the hog head, at least, but I don't know what kind of transmission it had. Well, you know, for a 3-speed. And I have to do some research to see if the hood over here is a little different than a sports coupe. Hopefully there's nothing right here to trip on. This is just a standard Fairlane. And I think this is a sedan. So I can get some parts off of this. Oh, dang. That's too bad, it's broken. At least now I know what kind of mirror to look out for. Yeah, it's just busted through and through. Yeah, this is the automatic. And this is a sedan. It's just a standard. As opposed to here. So this will definitely yield some parts. But I'll have to see what kind of parts can cross over from one another. This looks like this chrome strip right here is a little different. I remember when this pine tree was just first starting out. Yeah. Some stuff here and there. And he hasn't had this car for long, for like a couple years, both this one and that Fairlane sports coupe. And here comes the wind. Oh yeah, the chrome strips on the side are different. Okay, I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna go check on the Bronco, because like I said, some people are trying to buy some of our vehicles out from underneath of us. And I also gotta see if he's got sticky fingers, see if anything's missing. don't know why people do that. I don't like it at all. So I'm kind of getting closer to the Bronco, but wanted to show this Fairlane right here. I remember showing this a while back, but I think it's also another 69, but it's really rough. I'm probably not going to save it at all. In fact, I'm not going to touch it, because as I'm now remembering, I think it's a little too far gone. I may have to do a whole new body swap for it and everything. Yeah, I'll see some stuff cut out on it, yeah. But might have some parts on it for my 69. Because my 69 is a fastback, and all of you will be seeing that sometime in the future once we get a little bit more established. There's this old wrecker right there. There's a 4-door 64. I love the fact how I'm starting to learn more about these cars. There's one Buick over here too that Tucker's kind of interested in. It's a 2-door sedan. And I think that one's it right there. Let me roll down the window here. Yeah, it's like a 55 or 56. Yeah, that one right there. Oh, so that's a 63. Yeah, that's a 63. Okay, now I know the difference between them. Alrighty. Yeah, because we accidentally called the blue Galaxy that 4-door 63. I do apologize on that, because it's also a 61, and that'll yield a lot of parts for the Starliner. And I gotta toss some tires here in the stack. Yeah, because I'm going over here to see if anyone's stolen some stuff off my Bronco, because I bought the darn thing. And yet someone's already like, oh hey, this and this. It's like, no, I bought it. Back off. Because we're getting this weekend. Wind sound warning again. Yeah, because when you post something up online, people automatically like, I think I can actually buy it out from underneath. And it's like, no. So I'm here to check, see if anyone's stolen stuff off my Bronco. Of course, there's a lot of stuff not there, but still in gear. Everything's still okay. Yeah, because someone's trying to buy this out from underneath me. It's like, why are you doing that? It's like, it's not even yours. So let's see here. There it is. That looks like an old 302. I thought this had less stuff on it. I guess my memory's wrong. Of course, no radiator, obviously. Yeah, that looks like a little 302. Might be 2-barrel. I have to look at the video here. When I edit it, or I can just get it right. Yeah, it's a 2-barrel. I could put a 4-barrel on it, no big deal. Yeah, that's definitely a 302. Don't think it's a 289, but I can't tell them apart between 289 and 302, but I'm confident that's a 302. My jack is still there. Yeah. Everything's still there. So, to the guy that's trying to get this off of me, please don't do that. Because someone's like, oh, you know, I'm interested in this and so. Out of all the Broncos down here, this particular one he's interested in because I posted it up online. People can be rude, and I hate that. Oh. I don't know if you can see him. Bald eagle. Right there. I salute to you, our magnificent bird. He's big. That's a male. Alrighty. Yeah. Bald eagle, how about that? It's gonna be a good day. So let me get into the pickup here. Get circled around. Oh, actually, hold on. I thought I heard something. No. No, but that grill, I forgot to grab almost 15 years later. That's to the 69 Fairlane. But it's opening next year, so all of you will be looking at it. But in any case, I'm going to put this down, unload those 2 junk tires, and then start working on some other stuff. So there's going to be an extra video this week on bringing some stuff out. So it's a good thing I brought my long sleeve shirt because it's getting pretty cool. So I'll end this video there. I deeply appreciate all of you showing us the support and continue to show us the support. A lot of things are going to be happening. Hopefully all of you take us more seriously and all that, because there's going to be a lot of interesting car builds, because we're just starting at the very basic level and we're working our way on up. So I don't like this wind. It wasn't supposed to be like this, but there's a high wind warning, like 35 to 45 mile an hour gust, and I believe it. But I better get to work because I'm burning daylight. So y'all have a good now. Take care and stay safe. See you later. Thanks again. Yeah, we got to. Could be worse. Could be worse. Okay. With this trailer, who knows anymore?